Class amphibia. The amphibians have a dual life. Amphibian is both bia means life. They can live both on land as well as in water. There are mostly two pairs of limbs in amphibians. The body of the amphibians is divided into two parts, head and there is trunk. In some also tail may be present, in some. Like the fishes, there are scales, but there are no scales in amphibians. Mostly no scales in amphibians. The eyes are different. Eyes are having eyelids. Tympanum represents the ear. Tympanum represents the ear in the case of amphibians. Another characteristic of amphibians is that the three systems, that is the alimentary canal, a urinary system, and genital system, that is the reproductive system, they open through a common aperture, and this aperture is known as cloaca. Cloaca is the common opening for alimentary canal, urinary system and genital system. There are respiratory organs, like in some there are gills for the purpose of respiration. Also there are lungs in some amphibians for respiration. In some there are gills for respiration. There is also skin as the respiratory organ in some amphibians. There is also the buccopharyngeal cavity. Buccopharyngeal respiration, lining of the buccopharyngeal cavity in some amphibians. There are poikilotherms. Poikilotherms means again cold-blooded, and heart may be three-chambered heart, one auricle and two ventricles. Again, fertilization, sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. And development is indirect. Like in frog, there is the tadpole larva. Larval development. Examples of the amphibians are buffo, which is also known as toad. Another frog, rana की ग्रेना इसको कहते हैं, rana. Another example, hyla. Hyla is also known as tree frog. Tree frog is hyla. Salamandra, also in amphibians. Ichthyophis, limbless amphibian. Also known as brain snake. Limbless amphibian, Ichthyophis.